let's try this again. This video is for Chef Pahosky. It's also a test video. So you can find the baking and pastry book from the library homepage and see where the PDF copies, how the PDF copies show up. I am doing this from on campus. So I've gone to the Charlotte Library homepage, clt.library.jw.edu, and you can also get there from JW Link. Once you get here, you scroll down the page to Libguides. Click on Libguides, and here at the very top is the Baking and Pastry Subject Guide. Click on that, and this is the guide. Baking and Pastry Fundamentals textbook is under this, on this page here, and the baking and pastry formulas show up under this link here. What you would need to do is, when you go back to the Baking and Pastry Fundamentals page, and I'm interested in learning about fruit. We'll say Chapter 8. I'm not sure which class you're teaching right now. So we're going to do Chapter 8. So what I would do is come down here. I would click on Chapter 8, Fruit. And we think nothing's happening. What's happening is down here in the lower left-hand corner, the PDF is opened up. And so what you do is click on the PDF from the lower left corner and do open. And you get a page that looks like this, and it will say it's protected. Please enter the document open password, which for baking and pastry it's CLT BPA, all lowercase. I click on that, and magic. It's fruit. It's kiwi. It's Chapter 8. And here's each page. It's actually 24 pages long, as you can see. And you can scroll through using the sidebar or using the arrows here at the top of the page, whichever way works best for you or for your students. So that's how you get to one of the PDF chapters. Now, before we leave this video, I'm going back to the Baking and Pastry homepage, or Baking and Pastry page where we got the information for the textbook, and I'm going to click back one more to the home page. And so if you want to embed this guide in your ULearn course, what I would do is go up here to the top of the page, and I would simply copy that and paste that into your ULearn course, and it should work fine. If you have any more issues or it doesn't work for you for some reason, please let me know, and we'll see what else we can do. Thank you, and have a good day.